On November the 9th, 2022, Infopulse welcomed the representatives of the IT industry at a business breakfast in Sofia, Bulgaria, on the meaning of data, accelerated growth for advanced analytics and hyperautomation. Infopulse is part of Tieto Every, the leading Nordic digital services provider, and has been a trusted international partner for digital transformation since 1991. With more than 280 clients from 40 countries, Infopulse is constantly expanding its portfolio of services and solutions, said Anton Volik, country manager of Infopulse Bulgaria. The guests of the event, including representatives of IT companies, banks, telecoms and insurance companies, closely followed the discussions led by Oleksiy Burlaka, lead expert of BI and Data Management Competence Center, and Anastasia Zdanova, head of RPA practice. We dived deeply into the challenges and ultimate benefits of hyperautomation, effective practices and current trends in data management, as well as the benefits of automation through RPA, AI and machine learning. Trends related to the global connectivity that underpins the Internet of Things, IoT, were also discussed.